So I did a thing. I've always wanted to try one of these. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna read these instructions for you. Clean and dry your feet. My feet are already clean and dry. Just got out of the shower. Take out the foot mask and cut it along the dotted line as indicated. Let's cut this bitch open. Okay, so this is dope. It comes with two. I got two. By the way, if you guys want these, you can get them on Amazon. They're on Amazon. The exfoliation peel mask. Get it, bitch. This is weird looking. Damn, this is a big ass foot. This is a big ass foot. My feet are not this big. By the way, this is the big ass foot though. This is why instructions are important, because I'll just bitch stick my foot in and just call it a damn day. So what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to open this bad baby up and stick a foot in, and they got tape. There's tape. There's tape. Now it doesn't smell that pleasant, but I got on my lemon pepper steppers. It says I have to wait for an hour. I was trying to go to bed, but we can wait an hour. They're done cooking. So it says it's gonna take about 2 days. So I'll come back in 2 days and show you what my feet look like. Okay, bye.